You all right? And what are we about to do? What are we about to do today?
Yeah, that too. Maybe we're going to jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
It's not that perfect. Who do you have here with you?
Michael.
And whose bright idea was this?
It was his idea. I don't know how bright it was.
All right. Is there anything you want to say back at home to anybody?
Goodbye.
All right, give me thumbs up to two of you. Give me a take a picture.
Rock and roll.
Attaboy. I'll see you out there.
All right. Rock and roll.
Bend deep at the waist. When I say knees out, swing them out. When I say head up, put your head back. Bend down at the waist. Bend down, bend down, bend down. Knees out. Right knee, follow by your left. Follow by your left.
Okay, but I'm a full right now.
I got you, buddy. Head up.
He's killing me.
Okay, bend down. Come on back in. Come on back in. I want you to look right over there with Jules to your right.
All right, give me your full name.
Mark Elliott.
What town do we live in? What town do you live in?
Do I live in?
Yep.
I live in Pottstown.
All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
All right, Mark, go ahead and hop back out, buddy.
I knew it.
muddy.
It is muddy.
It's real muddy.
Hey, not bad, right?
Okay.
All right.
You did great.
Go ahead and get up. You don't get too muddy. Good job, buddy. Congratulations.
Thank you, man. You did a good job. You too.
You did awesome.
Thank
Good job.
you. I tried to pull my beard out of my face.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, I was getting ready to grab it for you.
Don't grab too hard.
All right, any last words?
I made it.
You did great. You did fantastic. Good job.
That was awesome.
Give me thumbs up.
Me to your buddy lands.
All right.
Okay. Mark, hang out over here with me.
Where do I go, Mike? Come on.
Speed up, speed up.